scoop this out. Look at that. Awesome. Oh, a fly got in there. Wow. Oh, it's crispy. Hello. Today I'm going to make a very simple, low-fat vanilla ice cream in my, what's it called? Cuisinart Ice Cream Maker. And here are the ingredients: sugar, vanilla extract, and half cream. We will start with 1 cup of sugar. I know it's quite a lot of sugar, but it's actually not that much. And the recipe actually calls for 1 1/8, but let's start with 1 cup, and then we can sweeten it if it needs more sweetening, because it's once the sugar's in there, you can't take it out, but you can add more. Okay, so we just have our mixing bowl here and add the sugar in. Get that out of the way. And here in Thailand, we get half cream. This is 946 milliliters, and that's equivalent to 4 cups. Oh, a fly got in there. See if I can get him out. Okay, he's out. And then we're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of vanilla extract. There's 1. Oh, I love the way it must have some alcohol in there. The way it actually does have, because this isn't the real stuff, it's artificial. That still tastes pretty good. And this is a half teaspoon here. Or half teaspoon. Wow! Oh, I'm not sure, that was maybe too much, we'll see. And then you want to use an electric mixer. You could do it by hand. It's easier if you have an electric mixer. And we'll just do this until sugar is dissolved. Let's give it a taste. Oh, look at that froth. That's nice. Very sweet. That's enough. Okay, here's the freezer bowl. So it's very simple. We just take this and pour it in. And then we put in the paddle thingamajigger in there, and then we put it inside the Cuisinart Ice Cream Maker, put the lid on, and start. For probably 25 to 30 minutes. Oh, that's very creamy. Yeah, it's really starting to thicken up now. It's been going about 25 minutes. Maybe I'll let it go an extra 5 minutes, and then we'll transfer it to a container and put it in the freezer. What's done? Oh, really rings the ears. So now I will transfer it to a container and top it off in the freezer because it's still a little soft. Well, first we gotta take out the paddle. It looks very creamy. It's a little soft. Okay, let's scoop this out. Look at that. Awesome. Wow. That looked nice. Spoon to so this is actually a 2-liter pot bowl. Look at that. Scrape it all out. And here it is. Simple vanilla ice cream with maybe some caramel syrup. You would drizzle that on, and then maybe some chocolate syrup. It's almost empty. Oh, excuse me. Mmm. Simple vanilla ice cream with caramel syrup and chocolate syrup. Mmm. Did it go all over my chin? Mmm. Look at that. Mmm. Delicious.